Welcome back. Let's continue with another powerful advanced word, circumvent.
To circumvent means to find a clever way around a problem, obstacle, or rule instead of confronting it directly.
Imagine a road is closed because of construction. Instead of waiting, you take a different route to reach your destination. You've circumvented the obstacle.
Here's an example. The company developed new software to circumvent technical limitations.
Another example. Some businesses try to circumvent lengthy approval processes by simplifying their procedures.
Remember, circumvent often suggests intelligence and creativity, but depending on the context, it can also imply avoiding rules in an unethical way.
Our next expression is in hindsight. This means looking back at a situation after it has happened and understanding it more clearly. We've all made decisions that seemed right at the time, but looked different later. For example, in hindsight, I should have started preparing for the exam much earlier. Or, in hindsight, leaving that stressful job was one of the best decisions I ever made. Native speakers use this phrase frequently when reflecting on past experiences and lessons they've learned. Now let's learn a very sophisticated expression. Lend credence to.
It means to make something seem more believable or credible.
Imagine a scientist conducts several experiments, and each one produces the same result.
Those results lend credence to the original theory.
Here's another example. The witness's testimony lent credence to the investigator's conclusions. This expression is extremely common in journalism, research papers, documentaries, and professional discussions. Our next expression is call into question. It means to cause people to doubt the truth, quality, or reliability of something. For example, the discovery of new evidence called the witness's statement into question. Or, several mistakes in the report called its accuracy into question. Instead of simply saying make people doubt, this expression sounds much more refined. Let's move on to be subject to.
This means that something may experience, undergo, or be affected by certain conditions or rules.
For example, flight schedules are subject to weather conditions.
Or, all applications are subject to careful review before approval.
You'll often hear this expression in official announcements, contracts, business documents, and news reports.
Here's another elegant expression. Give rise to.
It means to cause something to happen or to create a new situation.
For example, the rapid growth of social media has given rise to new career opportunities.
Or, poor communication can give rise to unnecessary misunderstandings. Instead of saying cause, this expression sounds much more academic and polished. Our next expression is take precedence over. This means that one thing is considered more important than another. For example, safety should always take precedence over speed. Or, family responsibilities often take precedence over personal hobbies. This phrase is especially useful in business meetings, formal writing, and professional conversations. Congratulations! You've now learned 20 advanced English expressions across parts 1 and 2, expressions commonly found in academic writing, business communication, news reports, and conversations among highly proficient English speakers.
Don't worry if you can't remember all of them immediately. Real fluency comes from repeated exposure and consistent practice. Try writing your own sentences, using these expressions in conversations, or reviewing them regularly until they become part of your active vocabulary.
The goal isn't to use complicated English all the time. The goal is to choose the right expression at the right moment, so your speech becomes more precise, persuasive, and natural.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who's serious about improving their English. Every new episode is designed to help you move one step closer to speaking with confidence and sophistication.
Thank you for learning with us today.